Now that's better.
Whoa! I'm scared to like fucking pop a wheelie with my fat ass on the back. Pick me up on the roll by. Roll line, come pick me up. Hurry up. See if you can get started first. Oh, that just proves my point that it's not my fault.
Oh, nobody watches this video.
I'm sending it to Facebook. I'm gonna fucking run up there. Come back down the hill. Hurry up! Yes, we did! Okay, well, don't push my arm. He's eating shit off the fucking road. Kelsey, prove you're dying eating shit. We're like cameras and shit. Oh! We're gonna go see if she's at the next neighbor's house. Oh wait, we may be going too fast. We may be going too far away. Kelsey's no, not that horse. Not the horse. Travis! Oh, my finger's in front of the stick. Should we go on top of the hill? Alright, let's go down this road. No, not that hill. Go back up top of the hill and we'll see. Okay. No. We're getting slow. Oh. Brake. There is no brake. My finger got leg. That's no brake. Alright, let's get. Woo! Don't get crazy. This thing's probably like bottom me up. Kelsey's gonna come back and just like laugh her head off like two clowns or like on this little dirt bike. Clown, come on in the circle! Oh yeah, this is how fast we're going. You jumped the rocks to the ground. Is this out? Yep, I can feel the wind in my head. Oh no, mama! No, I'm simple. Fuck that! Are you around the scenery? Kelsie! Kelsie! Go get him! Go! Wait, go there! Hurry!
Alright, give it to me. You have a hat on. Oh wait, that's perfect. She's gonna die.
Oh fuck.
Pause it.
Pause.
No.
This video you have to put it like that. You have too big of a head for this. Put your head back. Oh my god. Got it. I don't know, you look. Well, it says pause, I think. I don't know, look. I think if it says pause, it's taping. Okay. Get on. Order up. Pick me up on the slide, bye. Fuck yeah, we're getting pros at this shit. Oops. This is gonna take forever. No, it's not. Oops. Oh man, I sure wish the owner of this place was here. Roll up! Ready! First you should still record it. This could be YouTube hits. If something really crazy happens. Oh, so I can only see out one eye. Tell me if you see any prairie dogs. This is called Prairie Dog Hunting Our Style. Video clip number 1. Documentary number 1. What mountain? Oh shit! Oh! Get it! Oh! 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 Why? I thought we were killing prairie dogs, not fucking dirt hills.
You can't get fucking close to a peaceful fuck.
I want a dirt bike like this. I feel like I should shift down, but I'm not going to.
Do we need this fucking stick anymore?
Yeah, we do. In case that dog or a bull takes after us, or now we're gonna go over to the Meeks' ranch. Now we're going to the Meeks' ranch. Homestead. Kelsey's new homestead.
She went from Highway 18 to Highway High School.
It's a highway dog. We're gonna go
super fast.
No, we're not, because there's no brakes.
Holy fucking bitch, dude, I can't do this.
I can't see.
I can't drive.
Nope. Oh, what's wrong?
If we have to push this all the fucking back down the hill, I will be pissed.
Nope.
I'll go check it out up here.
Hey, we might need a flame signal. Oh, found neutral! Alright. Tick 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 chug 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 chug.
I can be
Kelsie!
Wow, look at this! Look at my seat!
Oh!
Look! Fucking like jump off it.
Dude, if you make me eat shit with shorts on, I'll be a little upset. Hey, should we go over this hill up here by these cows?
Fuck no, I don't wanna go by those no cows. I don't wanna die.
Well, okay, think like Kelsie. Where would you be?
Riding horse. Or boning. Boning on the road.
Oh, the brakes! The brakes!
Shit, on the road.
Put that brake down! Put that brake down! Or you brake! This is Kelsey's homestead on the videotape.
We got fucking board over there in case we need it. Oh, fucking sweet.
Whoa. We're gonna go to where these cattle.
Look at that one.
I wonder how many these are really.
I don't fucking do shit.
Let's go look at these steeds. Should we go back?
Oh, pumpkin seed horse.
And then let's go back on the grass. I feel a lot safer up there. Dude, I bet she's over here.
Vote for Jimmy. Oh, fucking
Because there's people over here?
what is he moving? Okay, I'll put this stick right here. In case I need it. Dude, just turn around. What if someone lives here?
It's her grandma and grandpa.
Dude.
Amy, take this out of my face. No, her Dodge is here. I'm gonna go ask. Amy, take this away from my head.
Her Dodge. Make like a podcast and get out of here.
Someone's coming towards us. You want to hit a jump? Ow! That's right, Kelsie. You lost our car, our only weapon! Let's do it! Let's go to our house. My ass is sore.
Nope. You fucking cock.
You have to repeat it. But right here, we're gonna go
Oh fuck, my legs are so tired, dude. There's a jump right there.
I think we almost got air.
Okay, let's go.
You're gonna run out of gas. Who's that? Dig in the ground! Ah! Go! I fucking hate you. Fucking go! Get off of me! Get off of me! Everyone by himself! Do you think if they ran at me full speed right now, they could catch me before I got to that fence?
think so? Drive by. I'm used to getting out on the left side.
Safety. Go get my car behind it, and then we'll sit on top of the hill with this. We'll just get